of Cummins INSITE 9.1. In the world of heavy-duty diesel engines, every minute of downtime means higher costs and lost productivity. Cummins INSITE 9.1 is designed to solve this problem by providing fast, accurate, and reliable diagnostics that keep vehicles on the road. One of its key strengths is speed. Instead of manually checking multiple engine components, technicians can connect directly to the ECM and view complete engine data in minutes. Fault codes, system alerts, and performance metrics are displayed instantly, allowing problems to be identified and resolved quickly. Accuracy is another major benefit. By pinpointing the exact issue, INSITE 9.1 helps reduce unnecessary part replacements and eliminates guesswork in repairs. This ensures both independent workshops and large service centers can deliver cost-effective and dependable solutions. Beyond diagnostics, the software enables real-time monitoring of parameters such as fuel pressure, RPM, and temperature. This bullet feature helps detect issues early and supports preventive maintenance, saving fleets time and money in the long run. With support for Windows 10 and 11, a 2-year license, and global compatibility, INSITE 9.1 is trusted by professionals worldwide. To experience these benefits, visit diagnostics.com and get access to Cummins INSITE 9.1 today.